this is a great three-boat race to the finish line with a slight lead to Dragon Sight of OCC. People with visual impairments in lane 2, very inspiring. They're holding on to the lead, but they are being challenged by both the other two teams, both the Hope and the Dragon Blades. Here comes OCC Dragon Sight in lane 2. Can they hang on to the lead? OCC Dragon Sight in lane 2, still hanging on to that lead, being challenged by both of Hope and Dragon Blades in lanes 3 and 1. OCC Dragon Sight at the finish line. Look out for the Dragon Blades. Oh, that one is too close to call between the Dragon Blades and OCC Dragon Sight, followed by both of Hope. Great effort by all three teams. We'll have to wait for the official times to call that one. Great Dragon Boat race. We'll have those official times. Here at the 18th Annual Edmonton Dragon Boat Festival.